Hey everyone, welcome back. If bunq is not working properly, don't worry. Here's a full step-by-step fix you can follow. First, check your internet connection. Bunq is only a fully online bank, so it needs a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening any other website or app to confirm that your connection is working. If needed, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the bunq app, swipe it away, wait for a few while, just minimize it, force close it from a recent app, then reopen it and check if the issue is resolved. If the app is still not responding, restart your phone. This clears temporary system glitches that may be affecting the app. Now, head over to your app store or your play store, search for the bunq app, and then install the latest version available. Outdated versions can often cause bugs. If nothing works, go ahead and long press on the bunq app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for bunq app and reinstall it again. This removes corrupted files and gives you a fresh installation. And that's how to fix bunq app not working quickly and simply. Subscribe for more.